Hi, and welcome to the channel where we dive into the timeless beauty of machines from the recent past. In a world that's always chasing the next big thing, we find something truly special in the bikes of yesteryear. Today, join me on a journey with my latest project, a 2007 Kawasaki GPX 250. Rescued from the brink, this bike was destined for the scrap heap, but I saw potential for a second life. I hope you enjoy the video.
AfroByker.
I used to ride with a friend, and then she stopped riding. The bike just sat for about 2 years.
Okay.
She was just paying registration on it, and then she sent a message on the group saying, "Hey guys, I've got this bike. It's gonna go to the tip if no one buys it. Is anyone interested?" I was like, "Yeah, I'll grab it." I got it for $300 registered.
300 bucks.
But because it's been sitting for so long, the fuel is old and the carburetor jets, I'm pretty sure, are clogged. Yeah, and registered. So hopefully I can get it running with all the stuff that I have in here.
Already here?
Yeah.
You're gonna ride it a bit, no?
I think I'm gonna ride it a bit.
Of course, you can't go over this and not ride it.
Yeah.
You're gonna try to fix this?
I'll try and fix all that. I'll try and wipe down the rims as well.
I come through like what's good, these wigs getting split. Man better breeze and sprint, it's long if I choose to bite down on these pricks. X is a lyrical 4-4 in this, so make sure it's X that you wanna rally with. Oh, make a big man turn to a kid. Shout out scope and I'll splat out wigs. Never seen X's with your eyes closed, don't move past girls behind your eyelid.
One thing I didn't realize was that it takes almost twice the amount of time to work on a bike if you're filming as well. Just getting all the gear ready, charging all the batteries and all that. Anyway, I cleaned the carburetor to the best of my ability, and now it's just a matter of getting it back on. And earlier on during the week, I paid a visit to a friend of mine, GT, and yeah, I told him about the project that I've got working on this bike. He was like, "Oh, do you need a battery?" I was like, "Yeah, I could use a battery," and he's given me pretty much a brand new battery ready to go in the bike. Hopefully we're gonna fit it in there because it's got a pretty slender tray, but yeah, we'll make it work, I'm sure, somehow. So it's almost 10 p.m. here. I'm just gonna jump straight into it. So I'm not gonna be showing like all the details and stuff because many people have done videos about how-tos on these bikes. There's a Husky just sitting in the background there. So yeah. So this is probably a good time for me to say I'm not a mechanic, and I've worked on a few bikes, and I've worked on my own bikes for quite a long time as well. I'm just kind of figuring things out as I go. So if the actual mechanics at the moment that are gnashing their teeth as they watch this, there you go, that's why. That's probably done bugger all, but normally spark plugs will come out with this 16mm socket, but sometimes the socket doesn't have the magnet inside. So there are quite a few tools that you can use to take that out. You can use a magnet or whatever, but back in the day, my favorite tool to take the spark plug out was just a wire hanger, and I would make it look something like that. Basically what happens is you just insert that in and you grab the top of the spark plug. It pretty much just goes over that because the top of the spark plug has some grooves like so. Nice and easy.